Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm teacher Ahmed. Today's lesson is about the Olympic Games, الألعاب الأولمبية for 8th grade, module number 5, part number 1. So let's get started. Okay guys, open your book, page 53. So in these pictures, what do you see? So في هذه الصور ماذا ترى؟ There are some flags هنا بعض الأعلام, and there is the sign of the Olympic Games وإشارة أو علم الألعاب الأولمبية, and here we have some sports and sportsmen. هنا لدينا بعض الرياضيين. So the title is, العنوان هو faster, higher and stronger, الأسرع والأعلى والأقوى. So these adjectives describe the winner. إذن هذه الصفات تصف الفائزين أو الفائز. So the winner must be faster and higher and stronger. إذن الفائز يجب عليه أن يكون الأسرع والأقوى والأعلى. So in the first box here في العمود أو الصندوق الأول we have 6 words. لدينا 6 كلمات: Olympic Games, athletics, fencing, gymnastics, medal, and chariot racing. So what's the meaning of Olympic Games? So it means الألعاب الأولمبية. So here guys we have 5 pictures. You have to match these words to these pictures and you have just 5 seconds. إذا يجب عليك أن توصل هذه ال5 كلمات بال5 صور ومعك فقط 5 ثواني. Okay guys, the first picture here we have a player. He will do some exercises. So we call it gymnastics. هي الجمباز أو الرياضة البدنية. Picture number 2, الصورة الثانية. So here we have racing, we have jumping, we have throwing. إذا هنا لدينا سباق ورمي وقفز. So we call it athletics, ألعاب القوة. Picture number 3, الصورة الثالثة. So here we have a round flat piece of metal. إذا لدينا شيء دائري ومسطح, and they give it for the winner وتعطى للفائز. So we call it medal, الميدالية. Number 4. So here we have 2 players. هنا لدينا لاعبين. They fight by using swords. وهم يتقاتلان باستخدام السيوف. So we call it fencing, مبارزة السيوف. The last picture here we have horses with chariot. So we call it chariot racing. Chariot racing وهي سباق العربة. So let's read a green box. Okay guys, so here we have 3 sentences and we need to guess the meaning. A modern sports event traditionally held every 4 years in different places. إذن رياضات حديثة وهي أعمال تقليدية held every 4 years تعقد كل 4 سنوات in different places في مناطق مختلفة. So we call it Olympic Games وهي ألعاب الأولمبية. Number 2, a round flat piece of metal given to someone who won a competition. إذا قطعة دائرية مسطحة تعطى لشخص فاز في مسابقة. So it is medal. Number 3, the type of sport that includes running a race, jumping, throwing, etc. إذا نوع من الرياضة تتضمن سباق الركض والقفز والرمي. So we call it athletics. ألعاب القوى. So open your notebook and your book, page 54 صفحة 54 and please write in your notebook واكتب على دفترك the day and date and the subject والموضوع and divide your notebook into two parts واقسم دفترك إلى قسمين the first one for meaning the other part for find out. إذا القسم الأول للمعاني والقسم الثاني So here in this picture what do you see? So the first picture we have the opening of Olympic Games. إذا هنا لدينا افتتاح للألعاب الأولمبية in different place في مكان مختلف. And picture number 2 we have a medal. إذا في الصورة الثانية لدينا الميدالية. Reading. Read about the Olympic Games. إذا اقرأ عن الألعاب الأولمبية. Find two differences between the Asian Games and the modern games. واستخرج اختلافين بين الألعاب القديمة والألعاب الحديثة. So here we have the Olympic Games الألعاب الأولمبية and here we have three columns وهنا لدينا ثلاثة أعمدة. So the what is the part of speech of the إذا ما نوعها من أقسام الكلام. So it is article أداة تعريف. Olympic so it is proper noun اسم علم أو اسم صحيح and games it is plural nouns اسم جمع or proper nouns. It's correct. So let's move to the first column. Okay guys, so let's read the first column. The Olympic Games are a tradition from ancient Greece. إذن الألعاب الأولمبية هي تقليد من اليونان القديم. So the first sentence it is fact وهي جملة حقيقية. So the Olympic Games are a tradition from. So what is the part of speech of from? So from ما نوع من أقسام الكلام. So it is preposition وهي حرف جر. And Greece it is proper noun وهي اسم صحيح. They took place in Athens over 2,700 years ago. They so they refer to الضمير they يعود على the Olympic Games الألعاب الأولمبية. So الألعاب الأولمبية أخذت مكان في أثينا قبل 2700 سنة. So took what is the part of speech of took إذا took ما نوع من أقسام الكلام. So it is irregular verb. The modern Olympic Games began in 1896. إذا الألعاب الأولمبية الحديثة بدأت عام أو في 1896. So the modern what is the part of speech of modern ما نوع من أقسام الكلام. So it is adjective وهي صفة. And began what is the part of speech of began ما نوع من أقسام الكلام. So it is irregular verb وهي فعل غير منتظم. So it is past form and the base form is begin. والتصريف الأول هي begin. Many of the sports we see today were at the original games. So العدد الكثير من الرياضات التي نراها اليوم كانت ألعاب أصلية. So many what is the part of speech of many ما نوع many. So it is quantifier الكمية أو العدد المحدود. Of the sport we so the pronoun we refer to two things يعود على شيئين. The first for writer and second for readers إذا يعود على القارئين وعلى الكاتب. So at it is preposition إذا at هي حرف جر and original where it means الأصلية it is adjective وهي صفة. The modern Olympic Games happen every 4 years just as they did in ancient Greece. والألعاب الأولمبية الحديثة تحدث كل 4 سنوات كما هي كانت في اليونان القديم. So this sentence وهذه الجملة it is fact وهذه الجملة حقيقية. And we have every 4 years. So 4 it is adjective وهي صفة. Years it is plural noun وهي اسم جمع. So here we have they refer to Olympic Games وهي تعود على الألعاب الأولمبية. And we have did. So what is the verb of speech of did? So it is irregular verb فعل غير منتظم. And the base form is do or does. Okay guys, in ancient Greece, winner received a crown. So in then في اليونان القديم الفائز استلموا تاج. So we have in, it is a preposition, and we have winner, it is plural noun. Okay guys, we'll complete reading next time, and now please open your notebook, write this meaning. So don't forget to draw a table ولا تنسى أن ترسم هذا الجدول. Here we have the word and here we have the meaning. إذا هنا لدينا الكلمة وهنا لدينا المعنى. And please try to guess the meaning وحاول أن تخمن المعنى. The first meaning, athletics. Athletics, if you remember the picture, there is racing, jumping, throwing, so it is ألعاب القوى. Number 2, fencing. Fencing, we have 2 players, they fight by using swords. إذا لاعبين يتقاتلان باستخدام السيوف. So we call it مبارزة السيوف. Number 3, gymnastics. Gymnastics, remember the picture, there is a player who does some exercises ويعمل بعض التمارين. So we call it الجمباز أو الرياضة البدنية. Number 4, chariot racing. Chariot racing, we have horses with a chariot, so we call it سباق العربة. Number 5, tradition. Tradition, the Olympic Games are tradition from ancient Greece. Tradition, it means something is old but we do it until now ولكن نعمله إلى هذا الزمان, so we call it التقليد. Number 6, modern. Modern, modern, it means something new and it is the opposite of tradition وهي عكس التقليد, so we call it الحديثة. Number 7, original. Original games, and we said that original it is adjective, so original it means الأصلية. Number 8, winners. So winners, so we said the winners must be faster, higher and stronger. and الفائزين اللي هو يجب يكون أن أسرع والأقوى والأعلى. Number 9, receive. So here let's put it in an example. So winners received a medal. إذا الفائزين ميدالية, so it means استلم. Received, it means استلم. Number 10, and the last word is crown. Crown, it means tag. So let's move to read some questions, and you have to answer them in your book, in your notebook. ويجب عليك أن تجيب عليهم على دفترك. The first question, write an example of fact from the article. إذا اكتب حقيقة من المقال. Number 2, where are the Olympic Games from? Where are the Olympic Games from? Number 3, where did the Olympic Games take place? Where did the Olympic Games take place? Number 4. When did the modern Olympic Games begin? When did the modern Olympic Games begin? And the last question is, when does the modern Olympic Games happen? When does the modern Olympic Games happen? Okay guys, so you have to write these questions and to answer them. إذا يجب عليك أن تكتب هذه الأسئلة وأن تجيب عليهم in your notebook في دفترك. Thank you for watching. I hope to enjoy this video and I will see you very soon. السلام عليكم.